The South Florida real estate market is known for its vibrancy and dynamism, with cities like Boca Raton, Fort Lauderdale, and Delray Beach standing out as prime locations. Discover the unexpected trends shaping these South Florida hotspots and what they mean for your next move. Boca Raton Market Overview. Boca Raton, often synonymous with luxury living and upscale communities, has experienced noteworthy changes in its housing market over the past year. In August 2024, the average selling price of homes in Boca Raton was $1,256,700. This figure represents a slight decrease compared to the preceding months, but it remains relatively high, indicating the city's continued appeal to affluent buyers. One of the critical metrics to consider is the average days on market, DOM, which increased from 63 days last year to 80 days in August 2024. This longer selling period suggests a shift towards a more balanced market, where buyers have more options and sellers may need to adjust their expectations. Despite the slower pace, the number of homes sold in Boca Raton rose from 5,431 in August 2023 to 5,688 in August 2024, reflecting steady demand. In terms of market trends, Boca Raton saw a significant increase in inventory, with 2,061 homes available for sale in August 2024, marking a 47% year-over-year rise. However, this increase in supply has been accompanied by a decrease in the average list price, which dropped by 7% to $1,569,419. The average price per square foot also experienced a sharp decline, plummeting by 89% year-over-year to $487. These trends suggest that while Boca Raton remains a desirable location, the market is undergoing a period of adjustment, with sellers needing to be more competitive in pricing. Fort Lauderdale Market Overview. Fort Lauderdale, a city that blends urban sophistication with coastal charm, continues to attract a diverse range of buyers. The housing market in Fort Lauderdale has shown resilience, with the average home price reaching $941,113 in August 2024. This price point, while slightly higher than in previous months, indicates a stable market with ongoing demand. The average days on market in Fort Lauderdale increased to 72 days in August 2024, up from 60 days the previous year. This change points to a cooling in buyer urgency, likely influenced by higher mortgage rates and broader economic uncertainties. Despite the longer selling period, Fort Lauderdale's market remains robust, particularly in the luxury segment. A closer look at the market reveals that the number of homes sold in Fort Lauderdale slightly decreased, from 4,301 in August 2023 to 4,007 in August 2024. However, this small dip is overshadowed by a substantial increase in inventory, which surged by 150%, bringing the total number of available homes to 2,184. The average list price in Fort Lauderdale rose by 11.45% year-over-year to $1,555,718, underscoring the city's strong market fundamentals. In terms of property types, houses in Fort Lauderdale saw a significant price increase, with the average price soaring to $2,113,145, a 50% rise from the previous year. The average price per square foot for houses also climbed by 26% to $760, reflecting the high demand for single-family homes in this desirable location. Meanwhile, the condo and townhouse market experienced a slight dip, with the average price decreasing by 9% to $869,045, though the price per square foot remains competitive at $540. Delray Beach Market Overview. Delray Beach, known for its vibrant downtown and coastal charm, presents a more subdued market compared to its neighboring cities. In August 2024, the median home sales price in Delray Beach was $470,000, marking a 7.3% decrease from the previous year. This decline, while notable, still positions Delray Beach's home prices above the Florida state median, highlighting its relative desirability. The market dynamics in Delray Beach have also shifted, with homes now spending an average of 80 days on the market, up from 66 days in August 2023. This extended selling period indicates a less competitive market where buyers have more time to make decisions and sellers may need to be more flexible in negotiations. Inventory levels in Delray Beach have seen a significant increase, with 807 homes available for sale in August 2024 compared to 593 homes a year ago. This rise in inventory, coupled with the slower sales pace, suggests a shift towards a more balanced market. The median sale price of $470,000, while down from the previous year, still reflects Delray Beach's appeal as a desirable location, particularly for buyers seeking a more affordable alternative to nearby cities. Inventory trends across the cities. One of the most significant trends observed across Boca Raton, Fort Lauderdale, and Delray Beach is the substantial increase in housing inventory. Boca Raton's inventory grew by 47%, Fort Lauderdale's by 150%, and Delray Beach's by 36%. These increases suggest a shift toward a more balanced or even buyer-favored market, as the supply of homes begins to catch up with demand. This trend could be attributed to various factors, including rising mortgage rates, economic uncertainties, and a potential cooling of the post-pandemic housing boom. For buyers, this increase in inventory provides more choices and possibly more leverage in negotiations. For sellers, it may mean longer wait times and the need for more competitive pricing. Price trends and market valuation. Price trends across the three cities paint a varied picture. Boca Raton saw a decrease in average home prices, down by 7% year over year, while Fort Lauderdale experienced a robust 13% increase. Delray Beach, on the other hand, saw a 7.3% decline in median home prices. These price changes reflect the diverse nature of these markets. Boca Raton's slight downturn may indicate a market correction following a period of rapid appreciation. Fort Lauderdale's increase suggests sustained demand, particularly in its luxury segments, while Delray Beach's decrease could be indicative of affordability challenges or a shift in buyer preferences. Days on market and market dynamics. DOM, which stands for Average Days on Market, is an important measure of the dynamics of the market. There was a rise in the number of days on market (DOM) in both Boca Raton and Fort Lauderdale, which indicates that it is taking longer for homes to sell in comparison to the previous year. The average number of days on market (DOM) in Boca Raton increased to 80, while the DOM in Fort Lauderdale increased to 72. However, Delray Beach experienced a more dramatic downturn, with the average number of days on market (DOM) climbing to 80 days from 66 days the previous year. This lengthy timescale may be an indication of buyer reluctance or a shift in market conditions that places buyers in a more advantageous position than sellers. Housing market segments, houses, condos, and land. When breaking down the market by property type, distinct trends emerge. In Boca Raton, the average price for houses increased by 7% year over year to $2,116,147, while the price for condos and townhouses decreased by 14% to $714,790. The land market saw a dramatic price increase of 416%, though this may be due to a small sample size or the sale of particularly valuable parcels. Fort Lauderdale's housing market also displayed a split, with house prices soaring by 50% to $2,113,445, while condo prices dipped slightly. The land market here saw a 27% price increase, further emphasizing the value of land in this urbanizing area. Delray Beach's market showed a more uniform trend of declining prices across all segments, reflecting a cooling market and possibly a shift in buyer preferences toward more affordable options. Market outlook and predictions. As we look to the future, it is likely that the real estate markets in Boca Raton, Fort Lauderdale, and Delray Beach will continue to develop in reaction to broader economic forces. There is a possibility that market circumstances could be further influenced by factors such as rising mortgage rates, shifting buyer demographics, and prospective economic factors. During the process of the market adjusting from past highs, Boca Raton may experience continuing stabilization or minor falls instead. Although Fort Lauderdale's luxury market appears to be solid, concerns around affordability may prevent additional improvements from occurring. There is a possibility that Delray Beach will continue to experience difficulties, such as slower sales and falling prices, particularly if inventory levels continue to be high. Thanks for watching. If you found this analysis helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on South Florida real estate. Stay tuned for our next update, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.